Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So as can you see, the AOD is turned off right now, and just to turn it on we should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the personalization section. After that you'll see here the always on display, click here, and to activate the AOD click once on the switcher. Here we have the display options. Now we got selected to show the always on display in power saving mode. We can change it to the schedule, so we can set here the start and end time, or also we can activate it to show us all day. Then just click here the save, and here also we can just turn off or turn on the time to show time, date, battery status, and the notifications from the applications. And now when we'll lock the device, we can see that we just successfully activate the always on display feature on our Realme device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.